Today we're talking about how to make your engine last, really last. Changing your oil on time is crucial, but that's just the start. True engine longevity comes from paying attention to the small stuff, the overlooked parts that keep everything running smoothly. Think of your engine as a system. If one small part fails, it can throw everything off. We're talking about things like the PCV valve, engine ground straps, and radiator cap. You don't need to be a pro mechanic. Just be curious and willing to get your hands dirty. So grab your tools, and let's make that engine last. First up, your engine needs clean air to run right. A clogged air filter suffocates your engine, hurting performance and fuel economy. Check it by holding it up to a light. If you can't see through, replace it. The PCV valve removes harmful gases from the crankcase. If it's clogged, pressure builds up and can cause oil leaks. If it's stuck open, you'll get rough idle and poor performance. Vacuum leaks are sneaky. They mess with your air-fuel ratio and can cause rough running and bad mileage. Listen for hissing sounds and use a little brake cleaner or water to find leaks. If the idle changes, you found the problem. Regularly inspect your air filter, replace the PCV valve as recommended, and check for vacuum leaks. These simple checks keep your engine breathing easy and running strong. It's not glamorous, but it's essential. Prevent small issues before they become big headaches. That's the foundation of engine longevity. Now let's make sure your engine's getting clean fuel. The fuel filter keeps dirt out of your injectors. If it clogs, your fuel pump works harder and can fail. Dirty injectors mean poor spray patterns, rough idle, and bad fuel economy. Use a quality fuel system cleaner every few thousand miles to keep injectors clean. For direct injection engines, carbon buildup on intake valves is a real problem. Thick deposits can choke your engine. Severe cases need professional cleaning, but using good fuel and keeping your PCV system healthy helps slow it down. Replace your fuel filter as recommended, and use injector cleaner regularly. A clean fuel system means better power efficiency and engine life. Don't ignore these basics. They're easy and make a huge difference. Keep your engine fed, and it'll thank you. Heat is your engine's enemy. Overheating can destroy it fast. The radiator cap isn't just a lid, it keeps your cooling system pressurized so coolant doesn't boil. A bad cap can cause overheating and hidden leaks. Replace it every few years. Coolant isn't just colored water, it prevents corrosion and lubricates the water pump. Old coolant turns acidic and eats away at your engine from the inside. Flush and replace coolant every 3-5 years, don't just top it off. Check hoses for cracks or mushiness and replace them if they're worn. Squeeze hoses when the engine is cool, they should feel firm. A cool engine is a happy engine. Stay on top of these details to avoid disaster. Your engine relies on electricity as much as fuel. The battery powers everything and stabilizes voltage. If it's weak, you'll get weird electrical problems. Ground straps connect the engine and chassis to the battery. If they're corroded or loose, you'll get dim lights, weak spark, and more. Clean ground connections with a wire brush and keep battery terminals corrosion-free. Modern cars also need software updates. These can fix bugs and improve performance. If you have strange issues, check for ECU updates at your dealer. Maintain your battery, clean your grounds, and stay current on software. These steps prevent electrical headaches and keep your engine running right. Don't overlook the electrical side of maintenance. It's just as important as oil changes. Belts and hoses are your engine's lifelines. The serpentine belt powers everything. If it snaps, you lose power steering, charging, and cooling. Check belts for cracks or glazing at every oil change. Hoses carry vital fluids. If they're brittle, cracked, or bulging, replace them before they fail. Squeeze hoses when cool. They should be firm, not mushy or rock hard. Motor mounts keep your engine stable and absorb vibration. Worn mounts cause excess vibration and can stress hoses and wiring. Inspect mounts by watching for engine movement when shifting from park to drive. Replace worn belts, hoses, and mounts before they break. Preventative checks here save you from major breakdowns. Turbocharged engines need extra care. Turbos spin at insane speeds and get extremely hot. They rely on clean, high-quality synthetic oil. Stick to your oil change schedule and use the exact oil your manufacturer recommends. After hard driving, let the engine idle for a minute before shutting off. This prevents oil from burning inside the turbo. Listen for boost leaks. Hissing sounds mean air is escaping, making the turbo work harder. Check all clamps and connections on turbo piping regularly. 3 rules. Use the right oil, cool down after driving, and keep the system sealed. Treat your turbo right and it'll last. Neglect it and repairs get expensive fast. Respect the boost and enjoy the power for years. Turbo Care is all about attention to detail. Finally, your driving habits matter most. Cold starts are tough on engines. Let oil circulate before driving hard. Accelerate and brake smoothly to reduce stress on engine parts. Avoid short trips when possible. Engines need to reach full temperature to burn off contaminants. If you mostly drive short distances, take a longer drive once a week. Gentle driving, especially when the engine is cold, extends its life. Combine good habits with regular maintenance for the best results. Treat your engine with respect and it'll reward you with years of reliable service. It's a partnership. You take care of your car and it takes care of you. That's the real secret to engine longevity. Thanks for watching now. Go make your engine last.